And then so far I have done 8 courses, and then I'm really happy with it. Like NPT has given me a very different perspective on life too. I got to learn a lot of stuff. I'm Manisha, doing my second year in BTech Energy and Environmental Engineering in Tamil Nadu Agriculture University in Coimbatore. I was born and brought up in Chennai, here in Velachery, and then IIT Madras is the gate I cross by every day going to school and back, and so this wasn't that big of a thing for me. But then when I went to TNAU, like all of them were like, how's IIT? Your house is right next to it. I'm like, I don't know about this place. And then now I go to TNAU, and then everyone keeps on asking me about this place. I have no idea. And then during the first semester, my college introduced me to all of these NPTEL courses. They told before you pass out, you got to complete at least 2 courses. I don't know what it is for, but then we were asked. So then a few of us friends, we all sat down and we were like, okay, like we had an 8-month gap in between before going to college. It was really late too. So we were all starved for some kind of knowledge. So when we saw NPTEL, we was like, okay, let us learn what is energy and environmental engineering. And during the first 2 years, we really learned only the basics. So we're like, what are we even learning? We are not even gone into the subject, so at least let's go to NPTEL. And then I applied for a few courses. And then so far I have done 8 courses, and then I'm really happy with it. Like one of my dreams when I was young was, like I've seen a lot of people who have completed n number of degrees, and then I was like, when I grow up, even I need to do, I'll be forever studying. And then this NPTEL platform, I think it will prove that dream for me. I'll be able to complete that dream. Like I'm really happy with how the platform is. I don't really need to come here to learn. Through the online platform itself, I can learn a lot of stuff. Like NPT has given me a very different perspective on life too. I got to learn a lot of stuff. So thank you for giving me this opportunity.